Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on the Skyline Emulator. We will begin by installing the emulator application on your Android device. Next, I will guide you through setting up the necessary system files and game data. Finally, we will cover configuring the emulator settings to achieve the best possible performance and address any common issues you might encounter. To begin, download and install the Skyline Emulator application on your Android device. Once installed, create a main Skyline folder in your internal storage. Inside this, make 3 subfolders, one for your production and title keys, another for GPU drivers, and a third for your game files. Then, import your essential production and title keys into their respective folder for the emulator to function correctly. Now, transfer your Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu game file, ideally in NSB format, into the game's folder you created. Within the emulator settings, it is crucial to disable docked mode to ensure your controller works properly. For enhanced graphics and speed, install custom GPU drivers, particularly if your device has an Adreno processor. Importing a save file can also help avoid potential crashing during the game's opening scenes. To maximize your gameplay experience, activate your Android device's high-performance mode. In the emulator settings, set the executor slot count scale to 5 or 6, depending on your device's RAM for improved processing. Disabling frame throttling can allow for frame rates exceeding 30 frames per second. Additionally, enable force maximum GPU clocks and fast GPU readback to maintain stable and smooth performance throughout your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.